Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert degree Celsius symbol in Microsoft Word document. So to insert degree Celsius, click on insert and symbol, more symbols, font. So in this list you have to find out symbol. So in this list guys you have to find out degree symbols. This one, select it and insert. Just select it and insert. Before it you need to insert the number. Or insert any number, then symbol, more symbols, font, select symbol and here find out degree symbol, then insert. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.